Hey guys, sorry for the blinking in this game, but Roblox has been glitching for me. But anyways, in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can toggle these outfits. So these are the new toggles that you need to know. So for all these pants, they have the same like Y2K low-rise or low-rise jeans. So this is the Y2K, this is the low-rise, and this is the default. There's also a flower on and up button on this one, and you can also add rips to it. Oh my gosh, this one's so pretty. I just saw it, sorry. Like, honestly. Torn, star, and none. For this one, I think there's like pockets, like the usual cargo pants that they have. And then, what else is new? Oh, this toggle is new. Like, they brought back the skirt, but you cannot wear it separately, unfortunately. And then they also create toggles for the VIP wings. There's default, bigger, small, and super tiny, and the 3-winged one where everybody wanted this, and particles. And those are the toggles that you need to know and dress to impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.